there, Marianne. You can watch him picture Dolly from the window. Hey, Wally! Oh, don't bother me. I'm busy. Tell me. That's it. You'll never learn. Come on, Steiny. We're gonna do it right this time. Come on, honey, it's time to have your medicine. There it is, as good as new. What's the idea? Shouldn't have done that. Oh, it was only an old rag doll. Oh, yeah? Yeah. Well, you gotta get her another one. Well, who's gonna make me? Well, I am. Well, we'll go ahead and start something. Nah, you start something first. Ah, you're scared, aren't you? Oh, yeah? Yeah! You guys took a great fight. It's a good thing my mom called me, or you would have got sucked. Oh, yeah? Yeah! My dolly. Don't cry, honey. We'll get you another one. Won't we, fellas? Yes, sir. Yes, but she always takes her dolly to bed with her. Don't you, honey? We'll get you another one before you go to sleep. A brand new one. Yes, and it'll close its eyes. Yes, and it'll say, Mammy, I'm happy. And poo-poo-pa-doo. They'll never know. And look at that swell dress. Boy, look at them eyes. I bet you can close them and open them. I bet you she can say Mama and Papa. Hey, Pop, them kids out there starting up your window.
Is that so? Well, I'll soon put a stop to that. Come on, kids. Run away from that window. Go on, now. Run away, run away.
Hey, mister, how much is that doll worth?
It's worth a lot of money. Go on, now. Go on, quick.
But how much does it cost?
It costs $1.25. Come on, now. Run along now. Run along.
Hey, Pop, how about trading the doll for the dog?
What will we do with a dog?
Well, you can make a good watchdog.
Son, you want that doll?
Oh, sure.
I'll trade you that doll for your dog.
Say, I wouldn't trade that dog for your whole darn store.
Well, you don't want the dog very bad. Go on now. Run along now. You've taken up my time. Go on now.
Yeah, that's what I say. Go ahead and beat it. Come on, fellas. We'll
is a fine how do you do. My only day off, and you have to run away and leave me to do the house cleaning.
Oh, Fred, stop complaining.
Well, why couldn't we hire it done? You can get a man cheap.
There you go, always wanting to spend money.
Yes, but you're going shopping.
Well, I'm going to save money.
Yes, I've heard that before.
Well, anyway, see that you have it done when I get back.
All right, Fred.
Here's our chance to earn the money. Come on, Skymie. Say, mister, could we do that work for you? We're the best rug beaters in town, and we can do it practically cheap.
How much do you want?
Would 10 cents be too much?
Well, I tell you what I'll do, boys. I'll give you all 10 cents apiece.
Oh, my! Come on!
Oh, well, it's all right, boys. There's the rug, and there's the lawnmower. But see you do it good.